Lead 5, let's in lane 0, Ashlyn Lofton. Lane 1, Marley Degenhart. Lane 2, Hannah Claire Towers. Lane 3, Reese Vista. Lane 4, Evelyn Jezerniak. Lane 5, Allie Dunker. Lane 6, Reagan Burton. Lane 7, Maria Barada. Lane 8, Alexis Dalton. And lane 9, Maggie O'Shaughnessy. Again, we'd like to thank our sponsor from Flex. We're going to have a heat winner award here. Waiting. Home Induction Swift Boot headphones to the winner of this 100 restaurant. Again, we want to thank Flex for their sponsorship of this meeting. And we're going to have a few random hand winner giveaways throughout the course of the session. Evelyn Jezerniak slightly underneath the flags. Hannah Claire Towers trying to run her down. But our heat winner, going home up here, waiting.